If you're looking for a slow cooker that makes your meal prep easier, healthier, and tastier, look no further than this GreenLife 6-quart ceramic slow cooker. Combining cutting-edge technology, innovative features, and a healthier design, this slow cooker is a game-changer in the kitchen. Whether you're preparing a week's worth of meals or cooking for a large family gathering, the GreenLife 6-quart ceramic slow cooker has everything you need to make your meals both nutritious and delicious. In this detailed review, we'll dive into the features that make this slow cooker stand out from the crowd. Get ready to discover why it's quickly becoming a fan favorite for busy families and home cooks alike. Why choose the GreenLife 6-quart ceramic slow cooker? The GreenLife 6-quart ceramic slow cooker is packed with thoughtful features that make it a standout in its category. From its toxin-free, PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating to its easy-to-use control panel, this slow cooker delivers on both performance and health-conscious design. Let's break down the key features and benefits that make this product an excellent choice for your next kitchen upgrade. Number 1. Healthy ceramic nonstick coating. Cook with peace of mind. One of the standout features of the GreenLife 6-quart ceramic slow cooker is its ceramic nonstick coating, which is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. These harmful chemicals are common in many nonstick cookware, but with GreenLife's ceramic coating, you can rest assured that your meals are both healthier and safer. The ceramic nonstick surface makes cleanup a breeze, allowing you to easily wipe away food residue without worrying about toxins leaching into your meal. Stovetop and oven ready, versatility at its best. Not all slow cookers can boast stovetop compatibility, but the GreenLife 6-quart ceramic slow cooker features a removable, stovetop-safe pot that you can use for searing and sautéing before starting the slow cooking process. This is a huge time saver, as you can sear your meats directly on the stove for a deeper flavor and then seamlessly transition to slow cooking. The pot is also oven-safe, which gives you more flexibility in your cooking process. Number 3. Extra large 6-quart capacity. Ideal for family meals. Cooking for a large family or a group of friends, the GreenLife 6-quart ceramic slow cooker has you covered with its 6-quart capacity. This spacious pot allows you to prepare generous portions, whether you're cooking a whole chicken, a hearty stew, or a big batch of chili. With enough room for a variety of meals, you won't have to worry about running out of space or having to cook multiple rounds. Number 4. Programmable digital timer. Set it and forget it. One of the biggest challenges with traditional slow cooking is making sure your meal is done exactly when you need it. With the GreenLife 6-quart ceramic slow cooker, you have complete control over your cooking time with the programmable digital timer. You can delay the start of cooking by a few hours, or set it for up to 10 hours of slow cooking. The Keep Warm function ensures your meal stays warm for up to 4 hours once it's finished cooking, making it perfect for busy families on the go. Number 5. 3 cooking modes. Flexibility for any recipe. The GreenLife 6-quart ceramic slow cooker offers 3 adjustable cooking modes: low, medium, and high. This flexibility allows you to tailor the cooking process to suit your recipe. Whether you need to cook something slowly over several hours or want to speed up the process, these 3 settings give you the control you need to perfect your meal. Number 6. Clear glass lid. Monitor your meal. Want to check in on your slow-cooked dish without lifting the lid? The GreenLife slow cooker comes with a clear glass lid, so you can monitor your meal as it cooks without losing heat or moisture. This is a thoughtful addition for those who like to keep an eye on their food or check its progress during the cooking process. Number 7. Easy cleanup. Dishwasher safe. After all the delicious cooking, you won't want to spend hours cleaning up. Fortunately, the GreenLife 6-quart ceramic slow cooker is incredibly easy to clean, with both the lid and pot being dishwasher safe. The ceramic nonstick coating ensures that even the messiest of dishes can be cleaned with minimal effort, saving you time and stress. Is the GreenLife 6-quart ceramic slow cooker worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a slow cooker that's healthy, versatile, and easy to use, the GreenLife 6-quart ceramic slow cooker is an excellent choice. From its non-toxic ceramic coating to its removable stovetop-safe pot, this slow cooker delivers convenience, flexibility, and peace of mind. Whether you're meal prepping, cooking for a crowd, or just making a quick family dinner, the GreenLife Slow Cooker makes it easy to create healthy, flavorful meals. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.